Morning. I'm from Freeman, Cebu, sister company of the Philippine Star. This is our second media partner for Eva Air and Travel Care for this marathon. So the Freeman and the Philippine Star is supporting the yung dream ni Ma'am Shine kasi last year first ever na ang Philippines ang second largest delegates for the Eva Air. And first time na nagkaroon tayo ng coaching village with engineer. So, ang maganda kasi di ba, all Filipinos now is parang bang gustong mag-travel in Taiwan. This is your chance kasi hindi lang kayo makakapag yung travel nyo, meron kasama na help for marathon. And that route nga is, if hindi naman kayo nag-aim for finish, enjoy the view up and running. Nindot maganda yung route nila, yung nila. So, enjoy and then, after the run, you can spend more time sa family para ma-explore ang Taiwan. So, this is a good chance and a good opportunity for the family to have a racecation nga sabi ni Miss Mary Joy. So, it's time for you to explore and then enjoy and introduce sa mga kids yung run. Kasi it's a help naman for the family. So, thank you.